Beluga got 4 million subscribers in 90 days and makes over $49,733.68 a month with a faceless channel. In this video, I'll show you how to get Wi-Fi stacks and leave the matrix, where you'll dive into Beluga's journey and explore the unconventional strategies that have contributed to his extraordinary success. But have you ever thought, how did Beluga do it? Beluga operates multiple YouTube channels, but his most prominent ones are his main channel, Beluga, and Explore Lucid Dreaming. On Explore Lucid Dreaming, Beluga creates content related to lucid dreaming, a phenomenon where individuals become aware that they're dreaming while in a dream state. Before launching his Beluga channel, Explore Lucid Dreaming was Beluga's primary platform, amassing over 1.1 million subscribers. Beluga used lucid dreaming for his catalyst strategy. In the YouTube world, a catalyst refers to a channel or content that funnels traffic to a new channel. Beluga was confident that using a catalyst would accelerate his growth, so he created the Beluga channel while already having the Explore Lucid Dreaming channel with nearly 1 million subscribers. Beluga strategically promoted his new channel by mentioning it in his videos and pushing traffic to it through end screens. This approach allowed him to harness the power of his existing subscriber base to kickstart his new channel. Beluga's deep understanding of YouTube's algorithm played a crucial role. He knew that YouTube measures the quality of content based on the click-through rate and average view duration. By leveraging his catalyst, he could easily achieve the first 1,000 views, which is often the most challenging milestone for a new channel. Once he reached this threshold, YouTube had a strong incentive to recommend his videos to a wider audience. This strategy effectively kickstarted the growth of the Beluga channel. For a new YouTuber striving to reach the coveted milestone of 1 million subscribers, various effective strategies can be employed to channel traffic to their content. Paid advertising presents an opportunity to utilize platforms like YouTube, Google Ads, or social media to promote their channel and videos. These ads offer the advantage of precision targeting, reaching specific audiences based on their interests, demographics, and online behavior, ultimately expanding the content's visibility to potential viewers who might not have stumbled upon it otherwise. Leveraging Reddit, the robust online community, offers another powerful avenue for driving traffic to the YouTube channel. Active participation in relevant subreddits related to their content niche enables creators to share video links while adhering to subreddit rules and guidelines. Engaging in meaningful discussions, responding to queries, and providing valuable insights fosters the establishment of a credible reputation as an information source. Over time, this can lead to heightened awareness, increased views, and a growing subscriber base. Collaborating with influencers, particularly on platforms like Twitch, stands as a transformative strategy. When an influencer endorses or collaborates with a new YouTuber, it introduces their content to an established audience, resulting in cross-promotion that is mutually beneficial. This collaborative effort serves as a bridge to tap into a new viewer base and potentially gain more subscribers. Furthermore, actively engaging and interacting with the audience is pivotal. Acknowledging and responding to comments on videos helps to build a sense of community and connection with viewers, encouraging loyalty and word-of-mouth recommendations. Encouraging viewers to like, comment, and share the content also plays a crucial role in expanding its reach. Optimizing search engine optimization element is also essential. This includes ensuring that video titles, descriptions, and tags are optimized for search engines. This strategic approach elevates the content's ranking in search results, making it more discoverable to individuals searching for topics related to the videos. In the journey to success on YouTube, consistency and content quality are the bedrock. Continuously crafting content that resonates with a target audience and provides genuine value is the key to a steady growth on channels. By combining dedication with these multifaceted strategies, even a newcomer to the platform can experience substantial growth and success. Mastering session watch time. Beluga's second major strategy involved mastering session watch time, a less commonly discussed but critical metric in YouTube's algorithm. Session watch time represents the amount of time a viewer spends on your channel during a single session. It's an indicator of how effectively your content keeps viewers engaged on YouTube. Beluga's approach was unique. Rather than creating long videos to boost overall watch time, he focused on session watch time. He understood that viewers staying with your video until the end positively influences your channel's performance. For a new channel, getting the first 1,000 viewers to click on your videos and watch them until the end is often the biggest challenge. Beluga's content was designed to encourage viewers to binge-watch his videos, thereby increasing session watch time. This approach not only engaged his audience, but also worked in favor of YouTube's algorithm, leading to more recommendations for new viewers. To keep viewers engaged and watching more of his content, Beluga adopted several tactics. Attention-grabbing sounds. Beluga incorporated various sound effects in his videos, including Discord pings, explosion sounds, and background music. These sounds captured viewers' attention and maintained their interest throughout the video. Intentional pauses. Beluga strategically used pauses in his videos to add a touch of humor. These pauses created moments of suspense and encouraged viewers to keep watching to see what would happen next. Fast-paced messages. In his Discord videos, messages appeared at a fast pace and then disappeared. This deliberate choice ensured that viewers had to stay actively engaged to follow the conversation. If they looked away for even a moment, they could miss important details, compelling them to rewatch segments of the video. To achieve the same level of success as Beluga in maximizing session watch time on your YouTube channel, consider implementing these tips and strategies. Prioritize session watch time. Shift your focus from simply creating overall watch time to optimizing session watch time. Recognize that the duration viewers spend on your channel during a single session is a key indicator of how engaging your content is. Create engaging content. Craft content that captivates your audience right from the start. A compelling introduction is crucial to hook viewers and keep them engaged throughout the video. The longer they stay, the better it is for your session watch time. Encourage binge watching. Design your content to encourage viewers to watch multiple videos in a single session. This could involve creating a series of related videos, using end screens to recommend other content, or mentioning upcoming videos that pique curiosity. Video structure and flow. Pay attention to the structure and flow of your videos. Ensure that the content is organized and presented in a logical sequence, keeping viewers interested and wanting to see what comes next. Interactive elements. Incorporate interactive elements like polls, questions, or challenges to engage your audience and encourage them to stay for the entire video. Interactive content often elicits stronger viewer participation. Consistency. Maintain a consistent upload schedule and style, as this helps to build anticipation and loyalty among your viewers. When they know what to expect, they're more likely to stay for multiple videos in a single session. Quality over quantity. Instead of focusing on churning out numerous videos, prioritize creating high-quality, valuable content that resonates with your target audience. Quality content is more likely to keep viewers engaged. Engage with viewers. Respond to comments and engage with your audience. Encourage discussions and create a sense of community around your content. When viewers feel connected to your channel, they're more likely to watch the more videos in one session. Analytics and feedback. Regularly review your analytics to understand which videos are performing well in terms of session watch time and viewer engagement. Use this data to refine your content strategy. Collaborate and cross-promote. Partner with other YouTubers in your niche to cross-promote each other's content. This can introduce your channel to a broader audience and lead to longer sessions as viewers explore related content. By adopting these strategies and placing strong emphasis on session watch time, you can enhance viewer engagement, increase the duration they spend on your channel in one setting, and ultimately improve your channel's performance and visibility in YouTube's algorithm. Mysterious titles and thumbnails. Beluga's video titles and thumbnails played a crucial role in attracting viewers. While his content might appear simplistic at first glance, his video titles and thumbnails are anything but. They're definitely designed to pique curiosity and entice clicks. Beluga's video titles are concise, typically not exceeding 33 characters, which is half of what many other channels use. These succinct titles quickly convey the essence of the video's content, allowing viewers to understand the video's topic at a glance. He often starts his titles with phrases like "when you" to make them relatable to a broad audience. An interesting element of Beluga's title strategy is his use of irregular numbers. For instance, he might use titles like "Win an argument in 9.17 seconds" or "Discord Nitro Speedrun 97.1% success." These irregular numbers spark curiosity and encourage viewers to click on the video to learn more. Beluga's thumbnails are intentionally presented in an amateurish style, sometimes appearing blurry with deliberate spelling errors. This counterintuitive approach sets his content apart from the polished and visually appealing thumbnails of many other YouTubers. Instead of traditional beauty, his thumbnails rely on uniqueness and intrigue to attract subscribers. Beluga also employs a simple yet effective method to encourage viewers to subscribe. His homepage banner and tagline read, "Hello, please subscribe, I love you." This straightforward and enduring message resonates with viewers and encourages them to take action. To apply strategies akin to Beluga's for your YouTube channel, consider these key tactics. Concise and intriguing titles. Keep your video titles short, ideally under 33 characters, for quick comprehension by viewers. Open your titles with relatable phrases or questions to enhance engagement and broad appeal. Utilize irregular numbers. Experiment with unconventional numbers in your titles to ignite curiosity. Titles like Master Time Management in 17.5 minutes or Boost Productivity by 64.7% introduce intrigue, encouraging clicks. Thumbnail design. Adopt a deliberately unique and unconventional approach to your thumbnail design, standing out from polished, typical thumbnails. Emphasize uniqueness and intrigue to captivate audiences. Encourage subscriptions. Craft a straightforward method to prompt viewer subscriptions. Include clear calls to action in video descriptions and request subscriptions at video endings. Personalize your channel banner and tagline with a heartfelt message to resonate with viewers and foster subscriptions. A/B testing. Continuously experiment with different thumbnail and title styles, utilizing A/B testing to refine your approach over time. Audience engagement. Actively engage with your audience in the comment section, responding to comments, requesting feedback, and building a sense of community. Encourage viewers to propose topics and questions in the comments, inspiring future content. Regular content delivery. Maintain a consistent upload schedule to build anticipation among your viewers, which aids in retaining their attention and encouraging them to watch more videos in one session. Analytics and feedback. Monitor video analytics to identify the most effective titles and thumbnails in attracting and retaining viewers. Pay attention to viewer feedback and adapt your strategies based on positive responses. Remember, while these strategies are potent, it's crucial to maintain authenticity and align your approach with your channel's unique identity. Adapt and refine these techniques to suit your content and target audience, and don't shy away from experimentation to discover what works best for your specific niche. Beluga's extraordinary success on YouTube is a sign to his unconventional yet highly effective strategies. Despite the unassuming nature of his content, his ability to engage viewers, leverage his existing channel as a catalyst, master session watch time, and craft enigmatic titles and thumbnails has propelled him to prominence. His rapid growth from 4 million to nearly 10 million subscribers is a testament to the power of innovative thinking and a deep understanding of YouTube's algorithm. Aspiring YouTubers can draw inspiration from Beluga's journey and consider implementing these strategies to accelerate their own channel growth. While the YouTube landscape is highly competitive, Beluga's success serves as a reminder that uniqueness, creativity, and a deep understanding of the platform's algorithms can pave the way for unprecedented achievements.